Today's video is about a poncho cop brutally stabs a man in police station.
And you're talking to dead man. You know what's crazy? It's just you and me in the room, and people are here in the room. Are you sure?
Yeah, turn around, face away from me right now.
Sure.
On May 7th, 2025, deputies from the Clark County Sheriff's Office responded to reports of a vehicle collision on Northeast 14th Court and Minnehaha Street in Vancouver, Washington. A Toyota Avalon had veered off the road and had crashed into two parked vehicles. Fortunately, no parties were in them, but that didn't mean no one was at the scene. Witnesses and the driver of the Toyota, 54-year-old Mark Fogel, were present. As deputies were about to learn, Mark had had one too many to drink.
Obviously.
So this was about to be a textbook DUI arrest.
Trying to calm him down.
Okay, so what's going on?
I was just trying to calm him down.
Okay.
And make him not let it because he was trying to run.
And clearly I've been drinking.
Yeah.
And I ran into these cars.
Okay. Do you need
And-
medical attention, sir?
No, I do not.
Okay.
But my life is fucking over.
Okay. All right.
I wouldn't go that far.
I do.
Okay.
You
You
do
can
not
take it.
need medical attention, correct?
I do not. But as you will see, I am a CDL driver.
Okay.
And like I said, my life's fucking over.
How much have you had to drink tonight?
More than I need to.
Well, just tell the officers everything, I
Are you
guess.
on your way home? Is that what happened?
No.
He was just getting started.
Nobody else is involved. Yeah.
Okay. All right. So where were you drinking at?
Control 5, almost 73, can check one.
All right, sir. I need you to step out of the vehicle here.
I'm calling lawyer.
Okay.
Just say lawyer.
Last phonetically, Frank Ocean,
Lawyer.
George Lincoln Edward, 1st of March, Mary Adam Robert
Lawyer.
Charles, 1970.
You already admitted everything. What you need a lawyer for now?
All right. So.
I'll do this at my point.
So turn
on
around
the-
for me, sir.
Yeah, you're under arrest.
Yes, thank you.
Don't put your hand in your pocket.
Keep your
No,
hand
he's
in
in
your
my wallet.
No, drop it.
All right. You might need to.
Like I said, he want a lawyer.
Mark was a CDL driver. In other words, he held a commercial driver's license. The license allowed him to operate large, heavy and/or hazardous material carrying vehicles within the United States. A DUI arrest and prosecution doesn't necessarily lead to a permanent disqualification of a CDL. But Mark was out of it. He didn't understand that would have been the case. But to be fair to him, he would have lost it in the short term, and in his head, his life was completely over because he would have had no work for the foreseeable future.
We're gonna go into the scale house here. We're gonna sit down, we're gonna take a test, okay? If you're cooperative with me and you're cool with me, I'll take you out of handcuffs. If not, you're gonna stay in handcuffs the whole time. You understand? Alright, go ahead and take a step out.
Hey, man. Have I been just...
For how things are gonna escalate, he sure seems calm.
Got it? Alright. I'll take you out of handcuffs, you're gonna take a seat on that bench there, okay?
Pardon?
I'm gonna take you out of handcuffs, you can take a seat on the bench there.
I thought 2 officers had to be at the location during a DWI arrest.
You're okay, put your hands down. What's
It's
this?
for your safety.
Well, you promise you're not gonna hurt me?
I'm promising.
Oh.
I'll put my hands on your head.
Hey, well, As long as you say you're not gonna hurt me, like we're good here. If you're worried, you think you're gonna hurt me, I'm just gonna put you back in handcuffs. All right. You're not gonna hurt me. You're good.
We're good.
Okay, you can keep your hands down. You're all right. Or not. If you want to be uncomfortable, that's.
That seems a little iffy.
You don't know who I'm dealing with. You don't know who you're dealing with.
That's true. So are you going to hurt me?
No, I'm not.
Okay. Well, I trust you.
All right.
You said you wanted to talk to a lawyer. Do you have one in mind, or
Do I not?
no? Like, do you have a
I
specific
do
lawyer?
not have a lawyer. I'm just saying lawyer.
Okay.
Maybe I'll make it through the night. I don't know.
It is 23:40. Mark, you're gonna make it through the night. All right. This isn't as big a deal as you think it is. It's a mystery.
No. You have no idea.
Okay.
Why don't you ask him what he's going through?
Checking your mouth. Is there anything inside you that's not put there by a doctor or dentist?
No.
Okay.
You have no idea. My life's fucking over.
Why do you say that?
You keep saying, look at my ID. I'm a CDL driver.
Okay.
So basically, my life's fucking over. Can't make a living.
Doesn't immediately mean that your life is over, Mark.
It is
People
over.
are.
I'm done.
I have arrested CDL drivers before who have been able to turn around and
No,
make it through.
I'm fucking done.
Do you want to call another lawyer? Yes or no?
How many lawyers do I have that option?
There's 14 on this list.
Alright, well.
All right. Well.
Boss, do you want
yes,
a
all right,
lawyer
well,
or no?
Sure.
Sure. Okay.
I'm honestly, what's the matter? Like I said, I'm fucking done.
All right. We're just gonna.
I'm a dead man. You're talking to dead man.
You're not a dead man, Mark.
Yes, I am a dead man. Well, I'm not making it through the night. What fucking time is it?
It's midnight.
Thank you.
So are you gonna kill yourself, Mark?
Who knows?
Probably the only person would be.
My guy's creepy.
Yeah,
So
that's correct. Like I said, I keep telling you, I'm fucking done.
is there somebody I can call for you to talk to?
Fuck no. We're good. You know what's crazy? It's just you and me in this fucking room.
It's just you and me in this room, but this is a
Yes.
police station. There's plenty of troopers here.
Are there?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Did you not see me talking to the trooper when we first pulled up?
How many people are here in the room?
Are you trying to make threatening?
Fuck no.
No?
No.
Okay, and why are you saying things like that?
I don't know.
Okay, go ahead and stand up. Turn around, face away from me.
Sure. Are you sure?
Yeah, turn around, face away from me right now.
After being arrested, Mark was transported to the Washington State Patrol scale house as
He been
Deputy
pressing that
Bryson
officer the
Layton
whole
needed
time.
to run alcohol measurement tests for evidence. While at the station, Deputy Layton asked Mark if he was going to remain calm, to which he agrees and his cuffs are taken off him. But as you've just witnessed, that thought of his life being over because he was about to lose his license crept back in, and out of nowhere his demeanor completely changed. It's at this point, ladies and gentlemen, where Mark lashes out at Deputy Layton and the pair get into a scuffle. During the struggle, Mark attempts to reach for Deputy Layton's firearm, and in response he stabbed Mark in the back several times.
Sure. Boy, 73, I'm with one. Sure. Give me the air, he's reaching for my gun. Mark, you're gonna get shot!
Yeah, that's what I want. Motherfucker. Shot! Mark, get the away from me!
Boy, I did not expect him to get the better of that officer.
I'm not looking to shoot you.
The body Bodycam footage of the actual stabbing hasn't been released because according to the Clark County Sheriff's Office, it was deactivated. They say they're investigating as to why that was.
I mean,
At 12:39 a.m.,
it is a
Mark
little fishy,
Vogel was
but
pronounced dead
the
by
suspect had
medical
his hand
personnel.
on the
Deputy
officer's
Layton tried his
body
best to
camera.
keep Mark alive, but ultimately he succumbed to his injuries. Bodycam footage of that portion of the incident is available to view, but I haven't included it
That
in
was
this
earlier
video
this
due to its heavy graphic nature. The footage depicts Mark on the ground with multiple stab wounds in his back. Deputy Layton is audibly upset but keeps it professional. It's clear he wanted Mark to survive, however, as you know, he was pronounced dead minutes later.